Every year, scientists publish millions of pages of medical research, new studies, clinical trial results, genetic discoveries, chemical compounds, potential new treatments. The amount of information is staggering. In fact, it's grown so large that no single researcher could ever read, remember, and connect all of it. So, how do scientists keep up? If you're enjoying this discussion, subscribe to AI Vision. Every week we explore how artificial intelligence is quietly changing the world around us and the surprising places it's already at work. For decades, discovering a new medicine has required years of research, testing, collaboration, and careful scientific review. That hasn't changed. But one thing has. The amount of knowledge available to researchers has exploded. Today, scientists have access to enormous collections of published research, laboratory data, genetic information, clinical studies, and historical trial results. The challenge isn't simply generating more knowledge. It's finding the connections hidden inside it. That's where artificial intelligence is becoming an incredibly valuable research tool. AI can help scientists search through vast amounts of published research in a fraction of the time it would take manually. It can compare findings across thousands of studies, highlight patterns that deserve a closer look, suggest relationships between diseases, genes, and potential drug candidates, and even help identify existing medicines that may be worth studying for entirely different conditions. That doesn't mean AI discovers new medicines on its own. It doesn't replace researchers. It doesn't replace laboratories. And it certainly doesn't replace the years of testing required before a new treatment can reach patients. Instead, it helps scientists decide where to look next. Think of it this way. Imagine walking into the world's largest library, knowing the answer to your question is somewhere inside, but having no idea which shelf to visit first. Artificial intelligence doesn't write the book. It helps point researchers toward the pages that may be worth reading. The discoveries still belong to the scientists. The experiments still happen in the laboratory. The clinical trials still take years. But by helping researchers navigate an overwhelming amount of information, AI may allow them to spend less time searching and more time discovering. Perhaps that's one of the most fascinating things about artificial intelligence. Some of its greatest contributions don't happen in hospitals. They happen long before a patient ever receives a prescription, quietly helping researchers make sense of one of the largest collections of scientific knowledge ever assembled. What do you think? Were you surprised that one of AI's biggest roles in pharmaceutical research is helping scientists navigate information rather than replacing them? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.